Cline versus Roo Code. Let's start with Cline. Now, Cline and Roo Code are AI-powered coding assistants that integrate with Visual Studio, each offering distinct features tailored to different developer needs. Now, let's talk about Cline. Its pros. So it has a stable environment with fewer bugs, making it suitable for production workflows. It also consumes fewer tokens, leading to more cost-effective usage. And it provides a step-by-step approach to task execution, giving users detailed control over each action. Now for root code, it has advanced customization that allows for customizable modes that prompt templates to adapt to specific development workflows. It also has frequent updates which introduce new features, enhancing user experience. And it has automates repetitive tasks and provides intelligent suggestions, streamlining the development workflow. Now, which one is better of these two? Well, in conclusion, choose Cline if you prioritize stability, resource efficiency, and a controlled workflow. It's ideal for developers who prefer a straightforward, reliable coding assistant. And choose Code if you seek advanced customization, rapid feature development, and enhanced automation, and it's suited for developers who are comfortable with a steeper learning curve in exchange for more powerful features.